Just wanted to say this. I found this, it was gone in a skip. My uncle died age 87, and his father marched for independence in 1930s, and this was the flag he carried. So I'm up here for everybody that's gone before us that would be looking at us and going, "Are you daft?"
When I was asked to sing this in 1999, I thought what a fantastic ambition it was for any country to say that it was going to treat all of its citizens fairly and equally, and to live in peace with all humanity. And I think that's still what we're voting for next year. Is there for honest poverty that hangs his head and all that? The coward slave we pass him by, we dare be poor for all that. For all that and all that, our toils of children and all that, and his father Guinea Sam, the man's the cow for all that. What though on Hamley fair we dine, we're poor and grey and all that. Give fools their stouts and knaves their wine, a man's a man for all that. For all that and all that, the tinsel show and all that. The honest man go and say poor is king of men for all that. You see yon barricade aboard was just and stairs and all that. Though hundreds worship at his word, he's but a kick for all that. For all that and all that, his ribbon star and all that. The man of independent mind, he looks and laughs at all that. A prince can mark a belted knight, a marquis duke and all that, but an honest man's up in his might, your faith in man hath all that. For all that and all that, the dignities and all that, the gentle sense and pride of worth, and higher rank and all that.
Let's pray.
Then let us pray that cometh may, as come it will for all that, the sense and worth o'er all the earth shall bear the gree and all that. For all that and all that is coming yet for all that, that magic man the Lord shall rather be for all that.
Thank you very much. We have tried, yes.
Long live Scotland and Visca Catalunya. Oh, we're at it.